Today it's me, Olivia, back here again, and I'm gonna be showing you my squishy that my sister decorated. It was mine, but she painted the teeth. So here, look at this. The teeth are supposed to be blue, but they're supposed to be white. This is not very slow rising, but it kind of is. And so this is obviously ruined, but it still works good. See. And I'm completely bored right now. I have nothing to do. My mom is in Florida. My grandma is outside picking the weeds out of the ground. My grandpa has to take my uncle to work, and then there's me here. I have to go to my dad's today, and I'll come back tomorrow. So I hope you all enjoy this video. So bye.